Get through this. Alright, so that's she. There she go right there. You know what I mean? See? Look like she got gel in her hair though.
I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave, so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave, so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave, I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave.
What's good, PB gang? It's your boy Poppy Blasted, man, coming at y'all with another video. And this video is a wave video, okay? I will be reacting to a wave video. Y'all know we do wave videos every Sunday, and I might do another one this week, early this week, probably on Tuesday or something. You know, I'll throw one in too, so I'll do like two of them. You feel me? Yeah, but this one right here, man, we pretty much reacting to some girl. I don't know, her name is personality. You feel me? And it says best waves ever on natural hair. The best waves ever on natural hair. She's a female waver, I guess. I don't know if she wave or she just, this is like a one-time method for her. I don't know. We finna find out right now. So we about to react to this video right now, man. So let's get it. All right, let's skip through this. All right, so that's she. There she go right there. You know what I mean? See? Look like she got gel in her hair though. Me.
So first thing I'm going to do is go in and add my black castor oil.
Okay. You get that from Sally's.
I wasn't a big fan of it. Last time I cut my hair off, adding oil before I gel it up because I felt like the oil was going to soften the gel, but...
Alright, before we keep it popping, she says on natural hair. So off top, natural hair is no perm, no kit, no none of that. So she's saying she don't have a kit. You feel me? She's saying that it's, you know, this is her method to get her waves popping on natural hair, pretty much. So we finna see how it look. To me, it looks like she has, I don't know, man, like, 'cause I don't know her hair texture, you feel me? I gotta see multiple pictures of her hair to figure it out, but
I really
it looks pretty natural to me, you feel me?
Black castor with the Eco Styler because they're both kind of thick. Then gonna just comb it out so I can undo any curls.
She know what's up. She combing it out.
When I do put the gel in, it's super easy to
she'll use some gel.
Lay it down. Because then I feel like with the gel I gotta be fighting the curls and stuff like that. And this is gonna go really quick, I guess, because I'm so used to that looks so silly. Because I'm so used to doing it. Ooh. And now, do I want to add more oil? No. I'm going to go in and just start applying the Eco Styler. And I'm taking large amounts so you just can see.
Okay, look, this is not a tutorial from me, you feel me? I'm just reacting to it, so you know, you guys can try gel. You know, I have came across like a couple waivers on Naturally Waves, my wave group on Facebook. You know, a couple waivers that do the gel method or something like that. Like, I don't know if they do this, but it's like I done saw pictures where they put gel in their hair and stuff. But you know, after a while when you gel stain your hair, as soon as you, it's good for styling, but then as soon as you start brushing it, you know, it's gonna get frizzy and it's gonna be probably flaky. You know what I'm saying? So I wouldn't recommend it, but you could try it if you want. But this is not my tutorial, okay? I'm just reacting to this lady's method, alright? Had to clear it up because I can hear y'all saying, "Bobby Blasted, why you trying to teach me stuff like this, bro? Why you teaching these kids to put gel in their hair?" Nah, I mean, I'm just reacting to it. You feel me? That's all I'm doing. You know, I can hear people saying that, man. You know, girl. So she putting the gel in her hair. Just, I guess she just styling it. It's kind of like the, you know, how I do the wash and go. You feel me? But I don't put the gel in there though. So this is like a hold for her to hold her stuff in. And you know her hair naturally curly because we saw it curled up before she combed it out. So Waves is laid down curls, y'all know that. So, I mean, I see where she going with it. You feel me?
Tell you, this equals
But all that gel though.
Sometimes I be looking so busted with my short hair. This eco styler just.
See all that gel?
Real quick.
All that gel.
Okay. So, I do have 2 brushes on deck. I got a little gel in there, but I have my wave brush that I've had since I cut my hair off like 2.5 years ago, and then I got this new one. It's some Con Air brush. It really gets in the root when I'm brushing my hair. Normally I use these when I feel like the curl is not straight enough, meaning like when I first started off and I took the comb and I combed through to make sure that the curls were kind of straight. I don't think I'm gonna have that problem today. And sometimes it's like before I started my hair, I co-washed it with my Suave. And if you are a loyal subscriber, then you know what Suave I'm talking about. So I just have to do like a light brush through. And don't be afraid of all the white gel that you are going to see, just excess left over. I mean, like I said, the more the better. It's gonna hold it.
No, some people like doing the gel method, man. She is a female.
The scarf is gonna pull, you know, some of the gel off anyway, so I want to make sure that I have enough.
Yeah, look, this right here is a prime example of, you know, because I'll be seeing people bashing people like that. You know, they feel like a person has a kid. This person could have a whole lot of Murray's in their hair. Person could have a whole lot of grease in it. I mean, gel in their hair, and it would look like that it has a perm in it, because we saw how her hair was before that. It didn't look like no kid to me. You know, it was like some nice, pretty nice curl, like cool hair texture. It wasn't. It was coarse though. You see, but her curls was more defined. But it didn't look like a kid to me. So I believe when she said natural hair. So now it looks like a kid. You see that? That's because she has a whole gang of gel in her hair, which means that, you know, it's gonna give it that appearance, the look of being like a kid. Or, you know, if she was to use some Murray's, a whole gang of Murray's in there, it look the same way. So sometimes I gotta stop bashing these people. Y'all ain't knowing where they really put in their hair. You feel me? You know, gotta listen sometimes.
On. So now, before I do anything else, you guys can see.
I know y'all like, nigga, she got a kid.
More of the black castor oil.
I don't feel like it though. It's a certain method.
My trick to reducing, if not taking off all of the gel after it dries, it gets a little flaky. And I know not just Eco Styler does that. I know a lot of different gels, and I hear people review about their gels that they're using, and it has the same effect of like the flaky white look. Trying to mess up all that.
I can do that to my hair, man.
All your hard work into doing your hair, they just want to be flaky and white. So it is very white right now, and I'm not afraid of that, because that means it's cooking. It's gonna be about, you know how you used to get, if you ever. Oh, I
know what she about to do right now. She about to make a lineup. Like I already knew she was about to make a lineup.
So, okay. Wow. This is when I go in and I start defining my perimeter. So I like to go deep, as if I'm doing a deep side part. Come from this way. As you see, I'm turning the comb and letting my hair roll over that section.
Interesting.
So it flattens it and keeps it there.
Hey, y'all girls be creative though, bro. Like, how you make a lineup like that though?
And this is normally
it's like a
style that I wear it in. Like this, I do like 3 swoops at the top of my head.
I was trying to make a creative line.
3 little swoops.
Not like a straight line. If you a dude though, you trying to do this method, don't do this to your hair. Don't make your line up like that, bro. Please.
You can do pretty much whatever you want with your...
Make your line up straight, like as if you really at the barber. You feel me? If you want to do this, if you choose to use this method, man,
I just do what best.
be creative with your imagination, bro. For real. Make it like as if you at the barber and you trying to give you a good line. Be like this. Not like that with the little swirl up there and all that, man. That's fugazi. That's feminine to me. You know, but it look good on girls, you know that, cause I look good, I look cool. You feel me, like, you know what I'm saying?
Now I'm gonna go back in with my brush and try to get the back flat because it rises a little bit, and the tension that the brush will put on the hair will keep it down just enough time so I can put my scarf on, and then the scarf will hold it the rest of the time.
So what she doing right now is pretty much styling it. It's like the wash and go, how we put the mousse in and all that. You style it to the, you know, to your comfort, so you're comfortable enough to put the do-rag on. Keep styling it like she doing. She want to make sure that everything laid down flat and all that. That's why she keep brushing her hair. And then once it start being flat and she comfortable, you know what I'm saying, her then she gonna throw the do-rag on. Or a wrap probably. I don't know what she gonna put on. We gonna see what's next. You feel me? I don't know if she wear a do-rag or a scarf or what, but yeah. I know a lot of girls, sometimes the females wear scarves.
Yeah.
But you could do the same method, man. Like I'm telling you, with the wash and go, with the mousse, man, or with the shampoo, and rinse it out, though.
Head scarves. They're old.
See, it's a scarf.
I don't care because they're just used for this purpose. And I roll one of the head scarves in half, like this. And what I'm gonna do is cover the back of my hair up.
Gotta get that kitchen. Make sure that kitchen flat too, you feel me? That's the main part that curl up. We don't want that to curl up.
And then I have to close my ear only because it's not gonna get the ear part flat and I don't want it poofing, so do that. I do not touch this part of my hair. I let it come to the bottom half, like that, like that. I'm being too extra right now for this video. I do that, and then I go through with my other scarf, and
now you gotta brush your hair again because it's frizzy. It ain't laid back, it ain't laid down no more. I would have been through my do-rag on fast.
So I do that. I come right to where that stops.
Oh, okay. She do it like that. She crazy,
huh?
She crazy.
Over the top.
Man.
Flatten it out.
Let's see how it come out though. How many minutes we got left? We got 2 more minutes. She better show the results. I know she about to show the results, man. It won't be a good video if you can't show the results. You feel me? Like they want to see. I want to see. You know what I'm saying? We want to find out.
That won't get in my way, and that won't get in my way. Perfecto. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go do my makeup, and then I'm going to let it sit for about 30 minutes to an hour. If you're in a rush and you want the best of results, I say don't do this hairstyle. I mean, I've done it in like a 20-minute span before, and it's not that bad. It just doesn't dry properly. I mean, throughout the day you're gonna find that it's gonna start rising, like parts of your curls, and not like that. It's just not gonna be perfect and laid flat the entire day. So if you want the best of results, either do it the night before or do it, you know, in the morning when you have time. I only do it in the morning or when I have time because if I do it the night before, I go to the gym in the morning and just sweat it all out, so it don't even make no sense to do it anyway. So I'm gonna come back in about an hour and show you guys what it looks like. Catch you soon.
See, I look like a kid, you feel me? But all that damn gel in there, that's why I make it look like that. But she ain't really got no connections like that or nothing, you feel me? Because she don't brush a lot like that. But just, I guess it's just like a method to make it look nice. you got waves, yeah, because she had curls and she just laid them curls down, which, you know what I'm saying, gave it an effect like that. So I guess it's good for the females.
Wasn't that tutorial good, y'all? I hope you guys loved that tutorial. It is my favorite way to wear my hair right now. If you like it, please like the button below and leave me a comment and let me know how you guys feel.
Yep, so that's it for this video, man. What y'all think about this, man? You know, I know it's, you know, I know it's a female, you feel me? But at the same time, man, the females we love too, you feel me? So I know a lot of females watching me too. You know, we got female girls that watch me and shit. They might want to be waivers too, you know what I'm saying? So, hey, you never know. A lot of females don't do this. A lot of people probably do. I don't know. I just want to react to it, and that's my reaction to this video. How y'all feel about it? What y'all think about it, man? Y'all think it's a kid or not, or what? I don't think it's a kid. Actually, I might put a caption. I might title it something with a kid in it, though. You know what I'm saying? Since I've been talking about the kid a lot. I don't really think it's a kid, though. What y'all think about it? Let me know. But that's Sunday's wave video, man, for today. Also, who y'all got? Who y'all got, man? Who y'all got today winning the Super Bowl, man? Philly or New England? Who y'all got? Comment below too as well. Let me know. I might do a prediction video today too. I don't know. I'm just chilling, man. So I'm working all day. But y'all already know what it is, man. Poppy blasting, man, with another wave video. Got another one coming up in a couple of days as well, man. Yeah, man. I love my wave family, man. Y'all already know what it is, man. PB gang, and I'm out of here. Let's get it.
I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave, so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave, so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave, I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy.